The foreground and background colors are the color choices we can work with if we choose a brush tool. You can find them at the bottom left in the default toolbar, one black and one white rectangles slightly overlapping each other. They can be changed by clicking on the color, here the foreground, and then a new window will open where we can choose the hue, saturation, and how light and dark this color will be. Let's choose a color we like. Towards the top, we can choose a lighter color. As we move downwards, it becomes darker. To the right, it becomes more saturated, and to the left, with less intensity. Let's choose this color. We can see what the new color we have momentarily selected will look like, and if we want to use more specific values, we can modify them. You can see that as we change the numbers here, the cursor moves up or down. Click OK. The color has been changed. If we want to flip them, this color will become the background and the background color the foreground. We can do it by clicking on this arrow here, which will exchange them. If we want to reset the colors to their default black and white, we can do it at any time by clicking here or pressing D on the keyboard. To change the colors manually instead of clicking on this arrow, this can be achieved by pressing the X key on our keyboard. This option allows us to have faster access to the colors we want to work with. To select a color that is already contained in the photo instead of looking for it in the color pane or swatches, we can use the pipette, the eyedropper tool, and Photoshop will automatically find it. It's so easy. When you open the window, you can automatically select it. If you wish to select it with the eyedropper tool, just hold down its shortcut button, I.